I feel like the last 48 hours should be called, they didn't forecast this. First we got unforecast rain, then we got unforecast snow, then we got unforecast wind. Well, I shouldn't say they didn't forecast. I should say they didn't forecast it until like half an hour before it happened, practically. So this morning, we woke up to this. Cornball snow, that it got cold enough so that it actually stuck. It snowed on and off all day yesterday. And, but it was melting because it was just a little bit too warm. But I know right now it's 27 and the bird bath is frozen solid, and the shallow puddle that's left in my tank over there is frozen solid. So this is actually good in the sense that we will have gotten some moisture out of this. I don't know how much. I don't suspect a lot, but we didn't have to pay for it, so that's a good thing. I think Rufus is a little intrigued this morning because, well, kind of didn't expect this, but that's okay. I'll check my rain gauge later this morning. As you can see, it's got a little bit of snow in there. I don't think that'll even make 1/10 of an inch, but like I say, it was free precipitation, moisture. I've been starting to put a couple of watering cans full of water on these beds every day to start getting some more moisture into them, because we haven't had enough rain or other precipitation this winter. And it's just about down to the last of the Mohicans on this tank we have over here that collects water off the studio roof. I'm using a number 10 veggie can. That's what that can is there, a number 10 veggie can, to scoop the water out and put it into the watering cans, because you can't sink the cans in there anymore. We did get a little teeny bit out of this yesterday, but pretty much it's just the bottom of the tank right now, and it's yucky. It's all it's all algae and stuff. So, but yeah, we got a little unforecast snow. I'm hoping that the storm keeps rolling east, because I actually have to be someplace later this week, and sometimes it'll make the road into quite the mess. I just don't really feel like dealing with that this week. You know how that is sometimes. But anyway, we look really shiny and pretty and white and fluffy. Not as fluffy as Rufus would like. He prefers it fluffier. But there's our neighbor's dog, who has to bark its head off every morning. I don't understand why people let their dogs do that. I find it obnoxious. I want my dog to bark like that when something's going on. And when nothing's going on, don't bark. But, let's see. Let's see how the daffodils are doing. So, this is absolutely full of buds here. I'm hoping that we didn't do too much damage. Sometimes when we get a really hard frost, we will lose our flowers. Now these have been open for several days here, and they're all weighed down by the snow and stuff. So I don't expect much more out of them, but you can see they've got neighbors that are going to pop soon. Like I say, we need the moisture. I don't think we need quite as much cold as we got, so hopefully we don't mess up the buds. Okay, time to get on with the day. See you guys later. Bye. I won't be opening the greenhouse right away. It's still 27, and yeah, no. Greenhouse is doing good. Don't want to freeze it. Bye. Somebody is very happy. He loves snow. So the forecast originally said 1 inch maybe. And by last night it was 6 inches maybe. And right now it's about 5 inches. And the forecast is now saying we're going to snow all day. So I think there's going to be a very happy boy here. Hi. He says this is so exciting. I, on the other hand, am enjoying the fact that it is gorgeous. It's going to screw up schedules a little bit because we're not going to town today. So I need to inform one of my customers that I can't get to the post office today. But, yeah, I think by the time the post office opens, it's going to be much deeper. And even if it isn't, they don't plow our roads, so it's really pushing your luck. Give it a couple days, it'll all melt off. By Monday, we'll be able to mail things again, although everything will be muddy. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but lots of clearing. You definitely have to clear off the solar panels. Lots of galloping puppies. I figured this would be really good exercise for him today. Because he's just he's eating the snow. He loves to eat snow and ice. A treat in the house is to give him an ice cube. And he'll go lay down and eat it somewhere. He discovered ice last winter. He found some that was on one of his pieces of cardboard, and he just fell in love with it. So that was cool because in the summertime, when we need to help him cool down, we can give him ice cubes. Happiness is being a silly puppy. He's actually 3 now, but in his head he's a puppy. Oh, well, time to get the shovel out and start making paths. Talk to you guys later. Right, Rufus?